2, shh, 1.
Before dawn, on the 16th of July, 1945, at Alamogordo, New Mexico, an event took place which was to change the world for all time to come. The atomic age was born. Here, in fact, is the answer to a dream as old as man himself. Limitless power at man's command. And where was it science found that giant? In the atom, a particle so infinitely small that it takes over 100 billion atoms to make up the head of a pin.
If an atom is so small, how can we know anything about it? By observing its effects. This, an atom of hydrogen, is the simplest of all atoms. It consists of a negatively charged light particle called an electron, which revolves in an orbit about a nucleus. The nucleus of a hydrogen atom is made up of a single particle with a positive electrical charge and is known as a proton.
The electrons, which are negative, are attracted by the protons, which are positive, and vice versa. But here in the nucleus are other particles with no electrical charges, called neutrons. Most atoms are content with their lot in life. We speak of them as being stable. But others are busy day and night, being what science calls radioactive, like radium, throwing off powerful rays along with some of its neutrons and protons, until it actually alters its own nuclear structure and changes to another family, then to another, until it does become stable at last. This spontaneous changing of elements is called natural transmutation. Its discovery gave men of science an idea. If an atom could change itself, why couldn't man change an atom? Then in 1939, some scientists were experimenting with transmutation of uranium. What would happen, they wondered, if they fired a neutron at a uranium nucleus, already the heaviest in nature? Why not try? So they tried. And the result? Nuclear fission. Instead of a minor change, the atom split in two.
But this wasn't all that happened. 2 neutrons were released from the split nucleus. This implied a fabulous prospect, a nuclear chain reaction in uranium. We might say that a radioactive atom is like a set mousetrap. Both contain energy. To start the chain reaction, all we need is 1 neutron. Watch. An atomic chain reaction works in exactly the same way. 1 neutron is enough to start it. The atomic genie was freed.
Truly, the superpower which man has released from within the atom's heart is not one, but many giants. One is the warrior, the destroyer. Another is the engineer seeking to provide vast quantities of energy to run the world's machines. Still another is the healer, helping to diagnose and cure the sick. And the last is the research worker, working on in the fields of pure science to reveal more of the mysteries of the universe. But all are within man's power, subject to his command. In the new world of the atomic age,